a great choice today with the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.